welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. In today's video we will be coloring. I think this is the weirdest topic I have ever drawn. I got a request from patrons on Patreon to draw different kinds of feathers, and in particular they requested a peacock feather because of its natural beauty and complex color combination. I thought it would be nice to try to combine various textures and materials in this drawing, such as leather, wood, and fur. After doing some research, I came up with the idea of drawing a smudge fan. In case you are wondering what is that, the smudge fan is a type of fan that is often used in rituals as a tool to clear negative energy and promote positive energy in a space or person. During a smudging ritual, dried herbs or incense are burned and smoke is then fanned around a space or person using a smudge fan. The fan is typically made from natural materials such as feathers and is designed to help circulate the smoke evenly throughout the area. This tutorial consists of 3 parts. In the first part, I will be explaining my process of generating drawing ideas, collecting reference photos, and combining them in my drawing. We will discuss how to select colors for your drawing. In the second part of this tutorial, we will apply the first marker stroke and explore different textures in greater detail. Finally, in the third part, we will focus on adding the finishing details, highlights, and lettering to the drawing. I will be using a mix of touch and Copic markers along with colored pencils. If you are drawing along, feel free to use whatever materials you have. It's all about practice and not the materials. For the full voiceover tutorial, check out my Patreon. You will also find the color palette, reference photos, and black and white outline. I will attach the link in the description. If you are not willing to join our cozy family, that's totally fine, but you can support me by giving this video a thumb up and subscribing to my channel. Your support means so much to me. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I forgot to mention that as a member of our Patreon community, you will have access to over 20 video tutorials, step-by-step guides, coloring pages, and other helpful content, especially if you're a beginner artist who is just starting to explore marker techniques. I hope you enjoy the process, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and I'm excited to see your completed work. Feel free to tag me on Instagram if you would like to receive a feedback. Enjoy the process and remember to have fun.